Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Outlook and go to the View menu at the top of the window. Select Layout from the View ribbon to access pane options quickly. Set the folder pane to normal so folders display on the left side consistently. Set the reading pane to right so messages appear to the right of the message list. Use Ctrl+1 to switch to Mail View if you are in Calendar or People. These steps restore the classic three-pane view for efficient email scanning. Click the divider between the message list and reading pane and drag it to set width to approximately 50% of the window. This gives balanced space for subject lines and message text. Next, choose View, then View Settings, then Columns to add or remove fields like From and Received. Use the Sort and Filter options to prioritize unread and flagged messages at the top. These changes make scanning and reading emails faster and reduce visual clutter in your inbox. If Outlook looks mobile-like, open View and choose Change View, then compact to return to a traditional layout. Turn off Message Preview if you see multiple preview lines. Set Preview to off to show only one line. If columns and spacing still look wrong, open View Settings and click Reset View to restore default widths and alignment. Finally, restart Outlook to apply all layout settings. These steps resolve compact or mobile-like layouts and restore a dependable desktop email experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.